In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Spotify playlist with friends. To start, open the Spotify desktop application on your computer. Look for the familiar green circle icon with three curved black lines. Once you click it, the app will load to either the Home tab or whatever you last viewed. Wait until you see the dark interface with the sidebar on the left and the main content area on the right. If the app asks you to log in, use your normal Spotify account because the shared playlist will be tied to this profile. Now that Spotify is open, go to your library. Look at the left sidebar, where you see options like Home and Search. Click on your library. The main area will switch to show your existing playlists, albums, and artists. You should see any playlists you already follow listed here. If this is a new account, this section might look quite empty, with prompts to create your first playlist. Staying in your library makes it easier to find and manage the playlist you are about to create with your friends. Next up, tap the plus sign in the top right corner, then click Playlist. In the Your Library view, move your eyes to the upper right area of the app window. You will see a small plus icon that may sit next to a search field or sorting options. Click that plus sign once. A small menu will open. From that menu, choose Playlist. After you click Playlist, Spotify creates a new playlist instantly and it appears in your library list, usually highlighted so you can spot it. The main panel switches to show the empty playlist page with a temporary name and options to add songs. With that ready, click on the temporary name to customize it, then click Save. At the top of the playlist page, you will see a generic name like My Playlist or something similar. Click directly on that name once. It will turn into an editable text field so you can type. Enter a clear title that your friends will recognize, such as Study Jams or Road Trip Mix. Below the title field, you may also see space for a description where you can briefly explain the theme. When you are happy with the name, click Save. The new title appears at the top, and in the sidebar list you will now see that customized name. After that, tap the Add User icon, a silhouette of a person with a plus sign, located right below the playlist title, to copy the invite link. Then send it directly to your friends. On the playlist page, look just under the name you saved. You will see a small icon showing a person shape with a little plus. Click that icon once. Spotify opens a sharing panel and automatically creates a special invite link for this collaborative playlist. Choose the option to copy the invite link. A short confirmation text usually appears, letting you know the link is copied to your clipboard. You can now paste that link into a message, email, or chat and send it to your friends so they can start adding songs right away. You have now created a shared Spotify playlist on desktop and copied the invite link so your friends can join in and add music. If this walkthrough helped you set up your group playlist, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Spotify tips like this.